This is the most satisfying sounding keyboard I've ever owned. Just give it a listen. The NYXI Striker Retro Mechanical Keyboard is inspired by retro gaming consoles. It has the signature Nintendo GameCube purple, gray, and yellow colors. It also has a dot matrix screen on the keyboard, completely customizable. I found it really easy to download the program and create my own little designs. I ended up making this cute ghosty for fall. You can also control the colors and pattern of the lights. It has the option to be used wired, wireless with USB and Bluetooth. And I also just love that it makes a statement as an ode to my love for retro gaming. If you're in the market for a new keyboard, you can use my affiliate link and code Cozy Game Night to get 10% off your purchase.